Hey everyone, you've got me and Francis, and we're back at you upstairs. We don't have anything to pull up here. I was working on putting together a smoker, and I'm going to try putting that on Facebook Marketplace, try to sell it. I sold some chairs that I bought at the auction the other day. They were like the little kids, different colored chairs for like kindergartners. We sold them for 50 bucks. I think I paid like, I want to say I paid like $5 for them at the auction. So I was able to flip them, make a little bit of money. And I'm going to put that smoker together and see if we can make a little bit more money. That's part of my plan this year, is to help pay for this foxy lady right here. Be able to sell more stuff on Facebook Marketplace. But we're going to go downstairs because she's just staring at me. She's like, "What are you doing?" And we're going to go downstairs and pull the orders. I think we have how many orders, Francine?
10, I think.
She said 10, and I know she's way ahead of me, but she did turn and speak loudly, so that works pretty good. I am looking for some different type of microphones that will work, like lapel mics that we can use, that will hopefully be able to let you guys hear us, because I've had a couple complaints that they can't hear Francine, and that happens. It happens. But Francine, let me turn it around here. What is the first item that we sold? Oh, a controller. I seen it.
It says A6.
A6? Maybe it is A6. I bet you it is. I was saying it was on the shelf. You go look in A6, and I'm going to stand here and just look pretty. There we go. Hold it up for me. How much did it sell for?
PS2, yep.
Yeah, it's only one in there. I mean,
okay. I wasn't sure, 'cause sometimes you never know.
Yeah.
$28.45 plus shipping.
How much out the door?
$38.95.
So how much would that be shipping? Like $10 shipping. So
well,
that's,
you gotta think taxes in there too.
Yeah, I know. See, this is what I put up with, people. She just micromanages everything. Like, she has to know to the precise penny. Like, if I say $10 shipping, she's like, nope, there's $1.25 in taxes. So yes, she's right. I'm just tired, and but there is a little bit of taxes in on that, but pretty much it is what it is. Okay, the next item that we sold here is a sweatshirt, and it's on rack 4, and it should be like right up front. It's Esprit, something like that. Esprit, I don't know. We're gonna go get the price on that. Okay, so we've got the Esprit shirt here. It's black, 90s, I'm guessing, late 80s, early 90s. How much did it sell for?
$34.95 plus shipping.
How much was it out the door?
$42.90.
That works a little bit better. Okay, the next item that we have to pull here is a, be careful, that bottom of that bag don't look too secure. It is a Nintendo 64 with
It looks like about 6 games.
6 games with it.
Well, it says 7. There's one in it.
Yeah. So I had that thing listed forever. I've sent out 20% off offers and no one took it. And finally somebody comes along and buys it. Something flew into my mouth. Buys it for full price. And how much was that?
$134.95.
How much was it out the door?
$160.47.
That's crazy. Like, I don't understand. I don't get it. Maybe they just, the right buyer came along. I did end my promotion. I think there's something to ending your promotion. Like, don't just let, like if you mark down your stuff for, like, we do 5%. Like, in that, maybe once a month, or maybe twice a month, or maybe once a week. I don't know. I might try doing an experiment and see if it, like, kicks your sales up, because it like refreshes everything, I guess is the word I'm trying to say. I don't know if there's any truth to it, but I can tell you that I had that thing listed for probably 8 months or something, and it finally sold after I ended my listing, or ended my sale and restarted it. So we are having a situation, because remember what I just told you about ending and relisting the promoted items, like restarting our promoted listing. Well, this shirt sold, and it's been listed for a while, and I couldn't find it. It was actually over there on the jacket, because before I had the different rack system set up, I just only had that for clothing, because I only did a little bit of clothing, so it was hanging up over there, and we found it. I thought we didn't have it anymore. But how much did it sell for?
$15.87 or $27.53 total.
That's nice. That's a really nice sweater. It's a Puma. A Puma. Okay, the next item that we have is Francine over there. She's walking away. She actually found it. But it's this shaken fire engine. Man, this thing's been listed for a minute. Again, another item that had been listed for a long time and sold. That's like, honestly, like it's almost all of this stuff.
Except for that.
Except for this right here. Like, man, I really think there's something to that. I don't know, but how much did the shaken fire engine sell for?
$22.46 or $35.40.
Wow, $35.40 out the door. Now this is probably from
It says 2001.
2000, yeah. So that is over 20. That's so weird to think that, but that's over 24 years old. So I would have. The reason why it looks familiar to me is because I worked in the toy department at Walmart and I stocked the shelves with that shell core stuff. So how weird. I'm not sure exactly where they're at. I should have stopped up.
This is rack 1.
Yeah, I should have stopped and got another one of these. I can't edit a video unless I'm complaining about that light flashing. But so anyways, try not to trip. But these are some kind of weird looking Back to the Future shoe.
Jordans.
Yeah, Jordan. I don't know, just Jordans to me. How much they sell for?
Generation 23. They sold for $41.95 or $52.93 total.
$41.95 or $53 and some change total. Those are kind of ugly.
I
but
like the color. The style's not my favorite, but I love olive green.
right. Okay, so we've got Trimmers 4 over here on VCR tape somewhere. Back over to the VCR tapes. Let's see. Some of you people know where this stuff's at probably better than I do. If I ever got sick, some of you guys could probably come and actually probably pull. Here it is. I found it. It's right here in front of me. If it was a snake, it would have bit me. You guys could probably come. If it is a trimmer, they couldn't hear that funny joke because we don't have a mic for you. She thought she was being funny, telling funnies, and no one could hear. How much did it sell for out the door?
$15.46.
Not too bad. We got a couple of door handles there. We'll have to find those. Not exactly sure where they're at, but we will be right back.
Here.
I hope that we have
424802.
Yeah, those two right there. Somebody bought a couple door handles. This is one of the again, that stuff has been listed
Years at this point.
Yeah, that stuff, that's what's left of a car buy. I spent like over $4,000 at an auction. A guy had passed away and he used to sell automotive parts for like 40s and 50s and 60s Pontiac, Chevy, Ford stuff. And I knew that, as the old saying goes, you make hay when it wasn't raining. And I felt up the Yukon. I've had 2 or 3 of my best buys ever have been car parts. But anyways, how much did those 2 door handles sell for?
$28.32 total.
$28.32 total. Okay, the next item that we need should be in this tote right here. Come over here and hold this. She's cold. Ain't even that bad, Francine.
It's really not that bad out today for sure, but still.
There you go. You found it. I'll put this up. I ain't gonna be able to close the lid on it, but that's okay. It'll be fine. And I'll go back and close it when I'm done with the video. How much did it sell for?
$12.26 total.
Not too bad. And the next item that we have is a jacket. And trying to find that. Look at my wires hanging down. I knocked that wire down. The next item, I've had another item that I've had listed forever. But this one I took an offer on. It's Missouri State Teachers Association. Let me come around over here to this side. I'm hitting my head on. I need to take those coat hangers upstairs. But that's an old silk jacket. It's Missouri State Teachers Association. And I've had the thing listed forever. I thought it would sell. I thought some young, hip school teacher would just love to have it. And they made me a $10 offer. And I think I only charged $9 to ship it. I'm like, I don't know if that'll be enough. So I countered at $12. And how much was it out the door?
$22.88.
$22.88. So Good job, Mr. Teacher. Hope you enjoy your brand new jacket. So Francine here is going to pretty much start packing some stuff, but I really think that like ending and selling similar, and possibly like if you have a promotion, end the promotion, restart the promotion, that I really think that there's something to that, because if you look at the table here, if you look right here, a vast majority of that stuff here was stuff that I had listed for a long time. In fact, I'm almost thinking about just ending everything in the whole store and selling it similar, and seeing if that really like shakes the sugar tree, as we say down here in Missouri, and maybe get some more sales. So if you've tried this, let me know down below, because you know, what do I know? I'm just some fat guy in Missouri that makes videos in his basement with his hot wife. Tell him bye, Francine.
Bye.
Supposed to say bye, Francine.
Shut up.